welcome back to day 15 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am Chris O'Neill. I'm so glad you're here and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Let's dig in to gift or item number 15. Could not figure this out, so let's check it out and see what it is. Oh, thought I broke something, but I didn't. It was just the box. That's what I'm seeing. What is this? Well, it looks like a spool. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is an awesome gift. All right, let me get everything out and I'll show you. Okay. So only one end comes off. It has all these things. All right, these are great. We have some thimbles here. It looks like, at least. So some thimbles. These are for on your spools of thread. Let me grab one. Let me open it. I'm going to go ahead and open all this stuff so the crinkly doesn't drive you crazy. All right, so let's see. So we have these wonderful silicone thimbles. And I'm not sure how many of each, but I'll definitely put it on the blog. Looks like 5 of those. These are little clampies. They go on your bobbins like that. There. I have a piece of thread, so it's like that. All right, these guys go around your spools to hold the thread. I love that. So it holds it so it doesn't do what it's doing right now. Hang on. There we go, like that. These go inside the top of your spool. So you put your bobbin through. And then it keeps your spools of thread and bobbin together. Might not work with the Aurifil. Nah, it does. It works pretty good. Just like that. And then I think, although I'm not positive, these are to go around your bobbin. So there's like all kinds of little tools here. These are awesome. I'm excited about these because I've bought these before and I love them. I only have a couple left because this type of stuff goes missing sometimes. So I love that we got some more of them. Everything, it's so awesome. This is a great item. When I first saw it, I thought it was a candle and I'm like, oh, I don't want a candle. But this is wonderful. Yay! All right, Chuck the Duck count stayed the same. Quick update, that's it. It may be the end of Chuck the Duck. We'll see. And I don't see any Chuck the Duck stuff on this stuff, so. Oh well, womp womp. Yeah, I don't see anything even printed on them. That kind of makes me sad. But I'll move on and get over it. All right, moving on to yesterday's item, which were the 2 ornaments, and they are the wax relief, I think that's what it's called, stoneware ornaments, and they do match the set. I'm putting a price at $20 on these. That's what I did last year, but last year we got a beautiful box. Now, we did get a box this year, but it's not near as nice. It doesn't have the lid and all of that jazz. So I'm gonna stick with $20 just like I did last year for these. And it is nice that we have the set and they are beautiful and I already put them on the tree. So it's perfect. So that brings our running total to $247.50 and leaves a balance to the good or credit, I'm not sure what you call that, of $47.55. So we are in the black at $47.55. I think that gives us enough wiggle room that if I did make a mistake on anything, we are still in the black and doing really well. Just my opinion. All right, let's guess for day 16. And this is your warning, warning, warning. I'm going to get it now. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. All right, here it is. It's a bag. There's something round right here. It's squishy and it almost feels like a chip clip. Like I can move that a little. I don't want to move it too much. There's something scrunchy in there. Oh, it does rattle. I want to say a tool of some sort though, but I could totally be wrong. Maybe another kit or project, because it feels like there might be a pattern in there. I don't know, but we'll find out tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.